Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Webull account for commission-free trading with advanced tools and research, follow these step-by-step instructions for registration. Step 1. Download the Webull app from your device's App Store or visit webull.com on your web browser. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to begin creating your Webull account. Step 3. Enter your email address or phone number to receive a verification code. Step 4. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone to verify your contact information. Step 5. Create a secure password for your Webull account. Step 6. Provide your personal information including legal name, date of birth, and social security number for identity verification. Step 7. Enter your residential address and citizenship information. Step 8. Complete your investor profile by answering questions about your employment status, investment experience, and financial information. Step 9. Link your bank account for deposits and withdrawals by providing your account and routing numbers or connecting through Webull's secure banking integration. Once your account is approved, you can start depositing funds and trading stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.